Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro Maxi finished in Indium grey. It is powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine with 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. The exterior combines practicality with smart, professional appearance, featuring black roof rails and 17-inch silver alloy wheels. Visibility is well supported by a windscreen wiper system with variable intermittent delay and wash wipe function, along with power adjustable, separately heated exterior mirrors and automatic headlight control. Manoeuvring is made simple thanks to front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera. The Plyline's load space can be accessed by the rear wing doors, and there is a side sliding door on both sides. Reinforced lashing rings secure your cargo throughout journeys. Electronically controlled air conditioning maintains a pleasant environment throughout the year, while heated Ergo Comfort seats with armrests provides excellent support on longer journeys. There is storage throughout the cab, and in the centre you will find USB-C ports and a charging pad for devices. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel gives the driver easy access to key controls including adaptive cruise control and the speed limiter, helping to make longer journeys more relaxed. The digital cockpit displays vehicle and driving information in a clear, modern and customisable way, and you can also view your navigation. The 10-inch coloured touchscreen media system includes DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface with the inductive charging feature, and wireless App Connect for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Discover Media navigation system completes the package, ensuring you stay connected and confidently guided on every journey. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of your camera and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Caddy C20 Cargo Commerce Pro Maxi that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.